Welcome, today I'm with Realme C25Y and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go to the notification bar and right there you will see the edit icon. Just tap on the icon and as can you see right now we got here all the available icons on our notification bar. So if you want to, for example, remove one more icon here, just hold for a while to the icon and drag it here. And as can you see, we got one more icon here on our notification panel. If you want to add one more, just repeat the action. By the same way you can add the icon to the notification panel. Also, if you want to remove the icon from your notification bar, by the same way, just press for a while and drag it here to remove. So also you can change the position of your icons. Just hold for a while and change the position of your icon where you want, for example here. So that's how it looks, and now just go back and you'll see the changes. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.